What's up, guys? Mini for Flawless Pyt number 25. Timestamp 128. Dice has to be 4 or more. That was a long roll. The dice just wouldn't stop apparently. Got a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final, a number 7. Phil and Ralph. Congrats, Phil and Ralph. CLNBSN is the code. And we are done. 129. Thanks, guys.